kosher things to say, or
Do we ever do kosher?
we can do politically correct today. I mean, I think.
Look at the Mensa and their hats, ready for a boat day. Bae. So we have packed the car stickend. We have got lots of alcohol and lots of water. So yeah, we are going to be on the boat. There's David. He's joining us today as well. And we got a nice little crew going. So welcome to my vlog. It's been a minute. We are going to Marker Island and we are renting a boat for the day. Yay!
So we are taking over of Angie's vlog. She's been preoccupied being the passenger princess.
Yeah, I mean,
The disrespect.
the absolute disrespect.
David, so what are your thoughts about today?
We're gonna have a wonderful
A
day.
wonderful day?
Wonderful day. Amazing day.
Amazing day. Are we gonna have a sunny day?
Yes, we are. A very sunny
Good
day.
thing that's a good thing the song's name is Sunny then. RJ, what's your thoughts about today?
Sunscreen, 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 sunscreen.
Yeah.
Somebody's gotta do it.
Yep.
Somebody's gotta do it. Angie,
Yes.
give us a couple of words of wisdom there.
Plan ahead, be prepared, and yeah, I gotta say sunscreen and hydration. What you hydrate with is the question though.
Should we? That is probably the best possible answer.
Yeah.
I mean, alcohol, there's I think 80% water in beer. Huh? There's I think 80% water in beer.
I mean, good to know.
Good to know.
Good to know.
So you gotta learn these things. You gotta know when to.
You do.
But let's see. Can you hold that? Let's see what does George have to say. George, I know you're driving, so you don't have to look at the phone.
Alcohol.
Don't look at the phone.
Eyes on the road.
George, what is your So George had a. What did George? He had to get a skipper's license today.
Yes.
Online skipper's license.
Hence the be prepared part.
Yeah.
I was not prepared.
George, how was your skipper's license test?
I need alcohol.
Very stressful.
There we go. So that narrows it down to how George's test was. That's how we all feel about tests.
Yeah, indeed. But we persevered and we are ready and we are going to be late as per usual. But we'll get on the boat eventually.
It's the best way to be, is to be late.
True. Everything lastminute.com.
This one make you right on. What about the nation all over creation? Yeah, sometimes rain and sometimes.
So we just arrived at the dock. Oh my god, it's such a beautiful day. Everybody has acquainted themselves. Now we're just going to check in and get ready for our boat trip. So excited. Oh my god, look at this view behind me. How gorgeous. Can't wait.
From the DJ ranking, baby. When we fling it on the roads and reality, I'm the best thing in life for free.
Here we go!
Watch how we walk and watch how we dance. No matter how you walk or how you talk. Through the journey getting longer, we never get weaker. Through the battle getting harder, the victory is sweeter. Give thanks and for the health and a longevity. And them the type of thing and them not cost no.
Operation Rescue Hat, begin! Where is it? Oh, it's there. It's just up ahead.
See it? In line with the... Alright, go Jimmy. Okay. RJ, where is it? Gaan links. Okay. Okay, right. Alright. Okay. I see it. No, but go left of it. Go left of it. So do you guys know why scuba divers fall backwards when they go on boats? You know why people go backwards when they get scuba diving?
No.
I could have grabbed this! He fell on top of it! I hope you killed the motor.
Oh my god, this is epic! Yo! Away! Away! Thank you!
We have
Cat retrieved! So we have put down the anchor in extremely shallow water. We were meant to find a beach, but nobody knows where the beach is. But we're having a good time. We are chilling in the sun. This is one of the best ways to spend the day off. And by the way, very easy to get a skipper's license online. I will link below where we rented our boat from today, which has been absolutely epic. They're super amazing. And if you have some boat experience, I recommend renting a boat on your own if you know how to drive a boat, because otherwise you could get in the weeds a little bit. But we are anchored for now, and we've just seen some dolphins swimming by, which is just the most unreal thing ever, and enjoying some sunshine as you do in Florida.
We are drunk. Problem solved.
The lifeguard is in the water! Just ankles! Ankles!
We lost another one.
So this is my boy Luntu.
What up? You know what it is?
Okay,
We are here, living our best life. It is what it is. Like it or love it, you're gonna have to live with it.
You're gonna have to love it though. Our final beaching before we have to head back. Although we don't wanna. This has been so good. So we are off the boat and we are now at a Tigertail beach, which is what it's called.
Gilbert showed us the way.
Gilbert showed us the way.
He's got a half shift in the morning. So
You know, because God forbid he has to work super hard. No, kidding. We just want to enjoy the sunset and the last bit of this day before we have to head back to reality. We're on our little crew, going to the beach
what?
to enjoy the last bits of the day. Because it is 10 to 6 and look at where the position of the sun is.
The sun is still shining hot in the sky.
And the weather is great.
We're going to show you guys now where we took a pee 45 minutes ago.
On the boat. So we decided to see where the ravine goes, and this is where it goes. So beautiful. I love Florida. This is insane. Probably gonna camp out here until sunset. Have a couple of dips in the ocean and then head back home. What an incredible day. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this vlog. It's been chaotic.
We gaan nou zwemmen.
Yeah. Look at him go. Oh my God.
I'm gonna take my time, 'cause I don't really wanna go to work. Now that I'm hearing all these wonderful songs in my head, ooh, I'm singing and dancing, I love it, I'm losing my mind. Oh yeah, my phone is ringing again and again. My boss is really mad at me. Yeah, he wants me to hurry, but I cannot control my feet. Oh no, it is so sweet under the sun, and even if my pocket's empty, I don't really want to go to work. No. It is so sweet under the sun. I'm gonna take my time, 'cause I don't really want to go to work.
Ladies, gentlemen, doesn't matter how old you are, doesn't matter where you come from. Come out, come and live life. Come and see this. I come from the south coast of South Africa. I have never been in the ocean this long in my life. I've never seen the sunset in Durban. Do it. Do it.
Do it.
Do it. Love
Thank you, RJ. So we are finally done, and the sun has set behind us. We are swam out to the max, and on this side I have the beautiful moon. The beautiful moon. The beautiful moon appearing behind me. But it is getting a little chillos, and we are going to make our way home now. But what an amazing day. Really worth every penny that we spent to go on the boat and to come and enjoy this beautiful ocean. What an absolute privilege to enjoy this. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
No. It is so sweet under the sun. I'm gonna take my time, 'cause I don't really wanna go to work.
up this morning, look around and see the sun high.